Function overloading. In function overloading, we can have two functions with the same name but different arguments. So if we have a name of a person as Rahul Sharma and Rahul Umar, these two have the same name but different surnames. Similarly, in function overloading, you can have two functions with the same name. So for area of a circle, I only require the radius, and for area of a rectangle, I require the length and the breadth. So like this, you can have two functions with the same name but different arguments. The arguments must be different, so they can be in the same class. They can be in the, so you can have these two functions in the same class. So I'll remove the names now, not required. So I can have a class shape, and this class shape can now have these two functions. So area of a circle will return you what? Should return you area of a circle, that is pi r square. Okay, I've taken the variable as radius. So when I return this answer should be a float. So it will come over here, float area, and this should return you the area of a rectangle, that is, so integer multiply by integer should always give you an integer. So this will return, and this should return an integer. So I can close the class over here, semicolon, and in void main, first thing first, what do I have to do? Whenever you wish to call any function of a class, you have to first do what? You have to first create an object of that class. So I need to first create object of which class? Shape s1, and using this I can call the functions s1 dot. So if I call s1 dot area and I pass one integer to it, it will call which area? It will call this area, because this area is taking only one integer as an argument. And if I call s1 dot area and if I pass two integers to it, it will call which area? It will call this area which is taking two integers as argument. So this will call area of circle, and this should call area of rectangle. Last line of main is always get ch, and then you can close the main. This is your function overloading. In one class you can have two functions with the same name but different arguments, and here they are. Am I understood? This is the entire code. Thank you.